When the brand sent me this new phone case for my Galaxy 26S, I was very excited to give it a try. I am that person who drops their phone all the time. So having protection for me is critical. I like to try to keep my phones until they absolutely die. So having a good case is very important. So a couple things that I love about it. I have opened it and taken it out and just gotten a peek, but I love that it's super slim. Some phone cases are so bulky. This one is not. It is super slim. It does come packaged protected with some foam, but it's a beautiful color. This particular one is kind of a light teal on the back and a dark teal on the inside, but it's just very classy looking. And I love that very much. It feels very, while it's not thick, it feels thick. It feels nice and premium, like it doesn't bend or twist. The outside is hard, and then around the edges are a little more soft and pliable where you'll be using your buttons. Another thing I have found with other cases is that sometimes these buttons on the side that are pre-placed don't always line up, and this one actually does. This is the second Crave case that I have received, so I know that their buttons are perfect. So yeah, I really love it. You know what? Since I have two colors now, maybe I'll change my phone case based on my outfit for the day. I don't know. Sounds like fun. So yeah, I would recommend any Crave product. They are doing a great job in protecting my phone. And ultimately, that is the most important thing because my life is my phone.